here you can see what's happened to the houses during the holidays of the summer holidays, which to be honest, it could be expected. Mainly the houses have been stripped, burned, set alight. And the cost of repairs is around about £14 million. To buy one of these houses can vary from £30,000 to £40,000. Fully fitted, kitchens, bathrooms, etc. There isn't many in this side of the street, which is a very, very unpopulated area in Thornley. Where you can see further up the houses have been accommodated by people who are not so well off and people who are well off. Gradually and gradually we go further up the street, it becomes more brighter, people are more energetic, and especially that one there, which is a boarding house. Mr. Adrian Harrison, a piano place to live. Grizz reporting from Thornley. Bye bye.
One past yours. Switch it off now or not?
That's on now. As I come further on the street, down to Kenton Crescent.
Well, I can say a satellite dish.
Yeah, more people have very satellite dishes around this area. You can see some people are well off than the others. Remember this house here? Yeah. Yeah, I think the Sharps live there.
Switch it off, Sharps.
Yeah, that car there, worth very little comparison to the Basil Parker. Yeah, he's kind of very unpopulated around this area. Yeah. Mr. Parker, yeah. It's so secure, Mr. Parker. We've caught you on the camera. Any cars in, Mr. Parker? Anything to say before we turn this camera off?
Yeah, switch it off, Sharpy.
Get off! Get off!
Yeah, Sharpy, I should plug it up. Stop there. Aye. Good.
I just want to tell you about that new lot up there, one to Hoover. Will Liam tell you?
The one over?
No, the new one that lives in Mackie's house now.
I'm going to use them. As you can see, during this restoration of this car, the seats are mainly ripped due to vandalism. As you can see, the car will be fully renovated in the near future. And
got the thing, got overalls, yo. I don't even overalls, but he did all the work. Me and Buzz been bacon.
I'm zooming in on you right in now. Sharpy's going to do the talking. How are we getting, Sharpy?
This is
This
is the area of Thornley where.
When the boxes are gone.
Well, it's a very unpopulated area. You can see that.
Scene 3 action.
You see the man with the loud mouth there. He's one who makes all the money around this area, and the man that steps is the one who does all the repair works during the social security hours. I don't think it should be really negotiable during. As you can see, mainly this is you've heard of the monument of the Cathedral of Durham. This is the monument of Basil's Step. Very rare you see him as a part off the seat. Oh, get him off! Get the camera in! He's off!
Get that.
Is it on? I'll pull it out, right? Follow us down the street, I'll turn around and come back up, right? You can get us coming around there, right?
Get all these bad traits on here and that, all these traits have to come off. All renewed in the wheels. Engine's going to get all rebuilt. Right batteries on all the wings and want to get stripped off. Get round from the side, Sharpy. Get the wheels and that. You got them inside there, Sharpy, the bastard. Howie, get Kirsty coming up. Okay. Tell her to come down this way.
Down this way! Lane! Come down this way!
I'll get Kirsty took while you're coming down, Sharpy.
Right with her.
Get Kirsty took. Kirsty, look at the camera. Kirsty.
Oh, where?
What?
Are you not coming down? Howie.
Right!
Get in the boot, Sharpy.
As you can see, the condition of this 600E, which will be renovated during the winter holidays, is very disastrous in some areas. But Mr. Eden, a qualified engineer of 600Es, been on the 600 for the past 40 years,
Get the back seats in, Sharpy.
will know how to go on with these things.
There's your gunny, choke them. Hang on, we can get them out. Let me talk first. You recording now?
Yeah.
Right, what the plan is, right, I'm going to go up and get the car, right?
Alright.
Pull in the driveway, and park it for the night because there's a front light off. So I'll just put it on side right, to get in, but try to get the front of the car when you're coming down, right? From coming down. Get all the front of the car, right?
Yeah.
Right. I'll just start it up. 2 seconds. The front of the car coming in, right?
Right.